Welcome back. The OG setting is back. If you know, you know. But what we're going to be talking about today is, of course, Satoshi app and how to link the address for withdrawal. So basically, we made a video on the things you need to look out for when binding. So make sure to watch that. The link is going to be in the description box below. Let's begin, of course, with the address that we're going to use. So make sure to copy it from wherever you're using. You can use the wallet I use for Testnet. You can use wallet from MetaMask, Trust Wallet, but do not copy from any exchange whatsoever. Just use wallets that are EVM compatible addresses, or you can copy your core address. Basically, we're on the Satoshi app. So when I meant core address, I meant, if you watch the video, of course, I showed you how to import OpenEx. So whichever wallet I imported on, you can just click the deposit address, etc. Or if you use it for Testnet, just go to your Testnet app and, of course, copy the address, whichever one you want to use. Click on me. Once you click on me, the next thing you need to do is to click on assets. That is the arrow next to BTC, Core, and ETH. Then you wait for it to open. Once it opens, scroll down to OEX. Click on OEX. Then you need to wait for it to load and to show you link withdraw address. Once you do that, you need to paste your withdraw address where it says withdraw address and put your asset password where it says asset password. If you don't have an asset password, it's quite easy to get one. Just click on personal settings and, of course, click on asset password, where if you have to change, you will need to change using your login password. But if you don't have to change and you want to create one, to show you how to create using your login password too. Just things you need to know, just trying to help you out. Meanwhile, let's continue with our process, of course. After putting it in, click on OEX link withdraw address. After that, you need to click on confirm. Then they have sent a code to your email. So what you have to do is to check, make sure to check in your spam and trash folder. And of course, if it doesn't work for you, there might be traffic. And of course, that's why you have not received the mail. But it should work out. And once it works out, of course, we're going to continue the process. After the email verification, you need to note that it will take you to start verification. That's if your asset password is correct. Once you click on start verification, it takes a while. So each of these process will take a while. Don't try to remove or try to change anything. Position your face in the frame and do all that's required for your face verification to complete. Once it shows you verified, to take you back where you need to click on OEX link wallet address again. So do that. Once you do that and click on confirm, your withdraw address link is successful. Click close and let's continue. Basically, before we continue with what we're going to talk about in this video that is very important, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn notification bell so you don't miss new videos when they come out on the channel. Like the video, and also if you have any questions, ask in the comment section below, or join our Telegram channel and ask under leave a comment. But of course, reply to all. Then you would not see anything like linked on the link wallet withdraw address, but once you've done it, no need to do it. Let's wait for further updates from OpenEx. If you have bugs like network error, try again, then try again and check if your internet connection is doing well. And also, if they did not send you your email, try again later, because it means that there's a lot of traffic. If the verification of the video also tells you that there is traffic, so you cannot do it at this time, then try again later. There are different bugs in it, so that's why if you want to try it at a later time where there's less traffic, then you can. But now it's also still working better. Of course, I had some issues too. So this is basically the full process for it. Hope you enjoyed it, and of course we're going to go back to our default setting for the next video.